Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Tejaswini. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a unique tomato curry. It's so simple, easy and way different. So without any further delay, let's dive in. In a pan, I'm taking 3 teaspoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of mustard, 2 slit green chilies, 1 sprig of curry leaves. Saute a little. To this I'm adding chopped onions, a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of turmeric. Cook onions until soft. This looks good. Now to this I'm adding chopped tomatoes. Cook on a medium flame until tomatoes are soft. Now let's close the lid and cook for 5 more minutes on medium flame. Okay, this looks really great. To this I'm adding 1 teaspoon of jaggery, 2 teaspoons of rasam powder, different isn't it? Half a cup of water. Cook until it all comes together. Now at this point I'm going to add grated coconut, half a cup, some coriander leaves, mix and it's done. Perfect for chapatis, dosas, also steamed rice. Tag us on Instagram if you try and like it. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much and I'll be joining you guys in my next video. See ya!